Hey there, co-workers! I'm Captain Safety, and I am here to show you how to stay safe on the job site.
Nice name, Captain Safety. I'm Oscar, but you can call me Mr. Cool.
Alright. Hey there, Mr. Cool. I couldn't help but notice that you didn't check in when you arrived here.
That's right. I'm here to work, not to fill paperwork.
And it seems that you are not wearing your PPE, at least not properly.
Hey, listen, Captain Crunch, that's how I roll.
Alright, but here at REEDER, we take safety very seriously. If you're not following safety guidelines, you could be injured.
I'm tough as nails.
You could get sick.
I'm healthy as a bull.
You could lose your job.
Whoa, hang on. Wait, no, I need to work. I can't lose this job. Okay, Choco Crispus, tell me what I need to do.
Glad that I have your attention, Oscar. At the end of the day, we all have the responsibility to help each other and make sure that we keep everyone safe. That way we can go home to our families every night.
Not every night. Okay, no jokes. Go on, Rice Krispies. Let's talk safety.
Alright, let's go through each of the points you need to take into consideration. First things first, you must sign into the job trailer each day before starting work, and you must also sign out before leaving the site. If you see any unsafe situation or in the event of an accident, you need to notify your superintendent immediately. Also, remember that JHAs must be turned in before the start of each of the tasks to the REEDER superintendent. Logs due at the end of the day. Understood?
Got it. Piece of cake.
Good. Now let's talk about dress code and personal protective equipment. The length of your shirt sleeves must be at least 4 inches. Always wear long pants and work boots. This means no cut-off shirts, no shirts, and no tennis shoes. So, you are gonna have to go change.
There. How do I look?
Cooler than ever. Now, PPE is required at all times, so you're gonna have to wear your hard hat, safety vest, and eye protection to actually protect your eyes, not your neck. Oh, and I almost forgot, no ball caps can be worn under the hard hats.
This hard hat rules. But how come you have that sweet decal on yours? How can I get one?
You will earn yours as soon as we complete your safety orientation.
I can't wait!
Now, you need to keep in mind that you must wear task and trade specific PPE, such as ear protection, face shields, goggles, gloves, harnesses, etc. And remember that whenever grinding or chipping, you need to wear face shields or goggles in addition to your safety glasses. Understood, Mr. Cool?
Yeah, no problemo.
Great! Now let's talk about fall hazards and how to avoid them. Whenever you perform an overhead work, you need a 100% tie-off above 6 feet, with the exception of areas protected by guardrails or when working from ladders. And speaking of ladders, you must use them in accordance to the manufacturer's recommendations. Step ladders must be used in the open position, and no worker shall step or sit on the end cap or top step of a step ladder. Also, all floor holes 2 inches or greater shall be covered, secured, and maintained in work areas. Any questions?
No, so far so good.
Alright, so let's continue with hot work and electric equipment. You are gonna need a permit for all hot work. You will also require a fire extinguisher and a fire watch. A JFCI is required for all electrical work, and all power tools shall have and use appropriate cords. All extension cords must be free of cuts and have intact ground prongs. They also should be a minimum of 14 gauge. This means no single insulated flat cords. If you are an equipment operator, you must have your operator's license. Also, don't forget to wear seat belts and operate the machinery at a safe speed. Are we clear?
Crystal clear, Captain.
Alright. We're almost done here. We just need to discuss some other rules you need to take into consideration. When working on occupied building projects, there should be no contact with the building occupants at any time. You must maintain 100% separation by physical barrier between your work and pedestrians or building occupants. A weekly safety meeting will be held in REEDER site office weekly. Attendance is mandatory.
Do they have snacks in those meetings?
Not that I'm aware of. But speaking of snacks, no food or drink is allowed inside the building. And just in case you were wondering, no tobacco, drugs, alcohol or firearms are allowed on the job site either. You shall park only in the designated parking areas. Do not park in staff or student parking areas unless authorized. Also, keep in mind that all deliveries must be scheduled with a reader superintendent and accompanied by a certified flagger. There is a first aid kit and an SDS in the job site trailer in case you ever need it.
That is good to know. I'm glad Reader takes such good care of us.
It is very important that you pick up all your trash and our debris at the end of each task. Housekeeping shall be maintained daily. Always remember to review the emergency action plan, muster points, and locate the nearest clinic and hospitals.
Wow, you guys really thought about everything. I will, Captain.
And last but not least, your safety orientation sticker must always be displayed on your hard hat. Congratulations! You've earned it, pal!
Awesome!
So what do you say, Mr. Cool? Do you think you're ready now?
Absolutely! You're gonna have to call me Mr. Safety from now on.
Alright, let's go check in so we can get to work.
Thanks, Captain Safety.
There's no need to thank, bud. Welcome to the Reader family. And now, I must leave.
Wow, do you have to go save the city or something like that?
No, it's time for my lunch break, and I'm gonna get a hot dog. Anyway, until next time.